Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Nike REACT PEGASUS TRAIL 4. Before we get to this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly, drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and on. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the Nike REACT PEGASUS TRAIL 4s. We got this in the dark pony cell picante red colorway, in the UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it's US 8.5. So this is part of the Nike Trail. So in the box here, it's very aesthetically pleasing. It's like for your trail runners and your gore enthusiasts like myself. I really like the look of the box. It's just it's minimal because it's brown, but all that patterning is just, it's really cool in my opinion. And here we are. Amazing, right? So we have done a review of many Pegasus before. We've done a wear test even, so check out that review of me running in some Pegasus, in some Nike Pegasuses. But this is incidentally made for trail runners in mind, and you've got a lot of details here built for your trail running and your hiking enthusiasts. We're going to get into all that nitty-gritty, all those beautiful details, but we'll start with the outsole. So here's the outsole. You've got a rubber outsole, very lugged outsole here. It's quite aggressive. Obviously it's there to help you not slip up, during muddy runs, and it helps scale like rocky mountains, like rocky terrains as well. So you've got that really good grip. You've got the Nike Trail logo also right there for you. Then the midsole unit is that REACT technology right there for you. And it's in a very nice colored brown, just to go with the upper colorway of that picante red. And REACT is great. I mean, big fan of Nike REACT. It helps you have great bounceability, ensures a smooth ride for every stride you take. And it's used in a lot of Nike's running sneakers nowadays, which is really dope. Looking at the upper, so this upper essentially is all synthetic materials, all this knit right there for you, and very lightweight, I must add. There, all round, beautifully done. You got all that perforation holes in the toe box area to give you your feet some breathability. And I like the outsole extends towards the upper as well. That was purposely designed there just to help decrease any type of abrasion you might get, because you'll be running in some very hilly, rocky terrain. So it helps not damage the shoe. Again, I must say very lightweight because it is made out of knit. Then you've got fly wire to help support the mid part and secure your feet. So there you go, you've got the Nike Trail logo on the lateral side, and on the medial side it says fly wire. That's there to obviously, as I mentioned before, help secure your feet into the middle part of the sneaker. Very nicely padded tongue. You've got flat laces there also, and you've got the name PEGASUS TRAIL right there for you. Ankle support, very nicely padded, and on the heel you've got a nice pull tab. Also, the insole, you've got a normal insole with Nike race logo there, and it's very comfy, very lightweight, I must say. And yeah, this is a really nice colorway. Big fan of Nike Air Pegasus because of they were built for running, and at this moment in time I'm still into your gore fashion. We've done tons of reviews of like your trail runners. Hopefully this is up there with one of them on your must buy. So we'll let you know how they fit and what they look like on when we show you the on feet, which will be followed right now. comes to the fit, guys, I recommend it. Yeah, you're true to size Nike fit. I am a 7.5 UK, and these fit perfectly. I feel like these are very comfortable when I do like great strides as well. You can feel that react at work, and very lightweight, very breathable too. I mean, you can't really see it right now, but it's relatively cold here in studio at Oneupreviewz, and I can feel the cold, which is kind of a good thing because you know you don't want to sweat your feet. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with the Z at the end on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.